Hi everyone, Chapter 24 Probability, third video. Equally likely outcomes. When the sample space of a random experiment is considered, if each outcome is equally likely to occur, then that experiment is called an experiment with equally likely outcomes. The outcomes of such an experiment are called equally likely outcomes. Objects such as these which are symmetrical and are made of material which is uniformly distributed are called unbiased or fair objects. If we use unbiased or fair objects to do our random experiment, then that experiment is with equally likely outcomes. Here you can see loaded dice. It's guaranteed to roll 7 or 11 every time. So it's not a fair object. Then the outcomes are not equally likely. Tossing an unbiased coin and observing the side that turns up. In here we are using an unbiased coin. So the outcomes are equally likely. Drawing a bead from a bag which contains 6 identical red beads and 4 blue beads marked R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, B1, B2, B3 and B4 respectively. Here all the balls are identical. So outcomes are equally likely. Now we are considering the random experiment recording the number on which the indicator, which is fixed to the center of the disk, falls when it is spun and allowed to stop freely. Here you can see that the disk has been divided into equal 8 portions. All the portions are same in size. So all the possible outcomes are equally likely. Recording the color on which the indicator, which is fixed to the center of the disk, falls when it is spun and allowed to stop freely. Here you can see the disk has been divided into unequal portions. So, outcomes are not equally likely. Do the activity number 3. To continue the lesson, you should watch the next video.